Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Anthropologie. So let me take you to the website, which is anthropologie.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Anthropologie is a lifestyle and fashion destination offering women's clothing, accessories, home decor, and beauty products with artistic modern designs. The website curates unique, high-quality collection that blends creativity, craftsmanship, and elegance. With Anthropologie, you can shop distinctive styles that inspire everyday living. So what you're waiting for, you can come to the website, explore all about them, and if you want to buy something for yourself or for anyone, go ahead and do that. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Anthropologie. Possible? Why not? Simply join their affiliate program, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you will receive commission. So affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program? As such, I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country, as an affiliate, you can be part of the affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote them in order to receive commission? Well, there's a list of country and we'll talk about those countries shortly. So let's learn more about the affiliate program. But then let me take you to the website called Zone Commerce. Now, I'll mention the link in the video description for your quick access. But let's talk more about Sovan and what does Sovan has to do with the affiliate program of Anthropologie. Sovan Commerce or Sovan is one of the top affiliate marketing network out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network as an affiliate. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Anthropologie, we must join the affiliate network of Sovereign Commerce as an affiliate. So how do you create an account with them or how do you join them? Once you're here on their website, you can simply click on sign up. It will take you to this page, enter your credential, set up your credential, and then follow all the upcoming prompts to get yourself a free Solvent Commerce affiliate account. Now I understand the many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Solvent Commerce affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description as well. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free affiliate account of Solvent Commerce. Once you have an account with them, come to the website once again. This time hover over sign in and click on commerce. It will take you to the sign in page, enter your credential, and then it will take you to the affiliate dashboard. This is a place where you will be able to interact with different affiliate programs, not just Anthropologie's affiliate program, but we'll keep the focus of the video as Anthropologie affiliate account, or rather Anthropologie affiliate program. So how do you find their affiliate program? For that, you can click on commerce on the left hand side menu bar and then click on merchants. Over here, you can click on merchants. You will have these two options, preferred merchant and merchant. So you must click on merchants and then within the search bar in here, start typing Anthropologie and then click on enter. When you do that, it will search for the affiliate program and then you will see them listed here. So you can click on the name and it will open up this overlay window. Once here, you would be able to see more details about the affiliate program. So you can see the commission rates, it's between 2% to 8%, and it varies depending on the countries available that you can promote to. For example, if you want to promote to someone or rather the consumers from Canada, we can select Canada, and then if you click on network rates, you'll see between 2 to 3%. But if you're gonna see the commission rate entirely, you can click on all countries and you will receive between 2% to 8% commission rates. And if you scroll down, you can see more details like these are the domains. Basically, you can create tracking links for. And these are the allowed countries. So if you're promoting them to the listed countries, only then you would be able to receive commission. If you bring sales from the consumers of these countries. And then there's description. Now, usually what happens with any affiliate marketing network out there, you must join that affiliate network first, and then you have to apply to be part of different affiliate program respectively to the brands. But in Sovereign Commerce, that's not the case. Once you have been approved to the network, you basically become part of all the affiliate programs. The affiliate programs of all the brands at the network. So in our case, we no longer have to apply for the Anthropologie affiliate program. As soon as we have been approved to the Sovereign Commerce account, the affiliate account, we got access to all the affiliate program they have available in the network. Right, so you got access to the affiliate program. Then what? Then you can start promoting them. To promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. How do you get a create tracking link? For that, you can click on create a link once you are on their affiliate profile or the overlay window. Over here, you can choose your site. So I have been approved for my YouTube channel. I've selected my YouTube channel. So you can also select your site and then you can mention the product URL. Let's say I want to promote the page, clothing page of Anthropologie. I'm here. I can click on this URL. I can copy this. I'll come here and I'll mention the URL in here. And then I will have all these options. I can put the link name, content URL, and then I can also play around with these options. But basically, if you just enter the product URL, you should be good to go. You can just give the name. So I'm going to go with test, but give the proper name and then click on create. What it will do, it will create a tracking link for you and it will automatically copy it. And then if you paste that link, you see this is how the tracking link would look like. And if you share it with your audience, with your consumer, with your traffic, then it will redirect them to the devices page of Anthropologie, or rather the clothing page. And if you want to see all your tracking link that you have created in the past, you can simply click on create and over here go to links and you would be able to see them listed in here, the link that you have created. All right, so this is how you create the tracking link of Anthropologie. The next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. So it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, you can promote them anywhere on your website, maybe the homepage, maybe the category page, whatever you feel like is more suited for your consumer, for your traffic, you can do that. Second way is blog. Now, blog could be amazing here because you could write different blog posts about different products available at Anthropologie and put your tracking link somewhere for the readers to understand and click. So this way, if your consumers, your readers are interested, they'll click on those links, they'll buy something, you get commission. Third way is social media. Social media could be great here because you could create different content on social media. You could create a post, a video, a reel, whatever you like, and put your tracking link in the comment or the description. So it could work in your favor as well. Fourth way is fashion apparel website. Now, I feel like these kind of affiliates, I mean, the affiliates with fashion apparel websites are best suited here because people come to these kind of websites to explore different fashion options available out there, correct? So let's say as an affiliate, you have a fashion apparel website. So you might want to create a section for top fashion brands and you put Anthropologie somewhere in that section. Either that or you might want to create different sections for different pieces of apparel and then you put the products of Anthropologie individually over there, I mean integrated. You would definitely need some technology to do that, but if in doing so you will receive commission if the consumers buy any of the product, I mean click on it and buying it, you get commission. So these are some of the ways you could promote them. Let's say you started bringing sales to Anthropologie through your tracking link. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the affiliate dashboard once again. Over here, you can click on analytics, and within analytics, you can click on overview. So here you would be able to see your revenue, sales, click, earning clicks, and if you scroll down, you would be able to see revenue by merchant. You can also click on revenue for more details. You can set up your filter dates and other filters too to have better understanding of the report. What about the accumulated commission? So let's say all the commission that you will generate, that will become your accumulated commission. And how would you receive that commission from Sovereign Commerce? For that, you can look at the bottom left-hand side. And over here, you can click on the avatar and you can click on payments. And then it will take you to the payment settings page. Once here, you can set up your address in the address section, click on next, then it will take you to the payment method. Within payment method, you have these options. You can go with local bank transfer or wire transfer. In doing so, you have to give your banking details. You can also go with check and then it will use your address to send the check for the commission, accumulated commission, of course. The fourth is the PayPal. Now, PayPal could be best here in case if you have a PayPal account, just give your PayPal email address and the other details. You should be good to go. If you want, you can also hold your payment. Once you have selected the payment method, give the information accordingly, followed by that, click on next, and then we'll take you to the text forms, and then you select the text forms and then complete it done. So this is how you can update your payment method. And once you have updated your payment method, you can expect to receive commission from someone commerce that you must be accumulating from Anthropologie. All your payments that ever been issued to you, you would be able to see them listed in payment history. So if you see that, all the commission or the accumulated commission per month will be visible in here. And of course, your payment date will also be visible in here. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Anthropologie. You become part of their affiliate program, you start promoting them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Anthropologie. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow, there are some resources available for you. There are free resources and as well as exclusive resources created by me. You'll find the links and all the other details in the video description. And want to get any of those resources, go ahead and do that. For me, if you got any other question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.